everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to transition slides automatically in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can create your presentation. As you can see here, guys, I have already created a presentation, and here I have some slides right here, some text box, some tables, and so on. So let's say that I want to go ahead and present this presentation, and I don't want to click every time I want to move a slide. I want them to move automatically every minute or every couple of seconds and so on. It's very easy to do, guys, and I'm going to be showing you now how to do it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and start the presentation in a slideshow. You cannot set up this option right before the slideshow. You have to set it up when you start the slideshow. So we're going to go ahead and click the slideshow button right here in the upper right corner, and this will now start the slideshow, guys. So guys, if you look, now after I click, every time it will go ahead and change slides. As you can see, now it started animation that I have. Clicking again, it will go ahead and change my slide and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and exit out and start the slideshow again. So if we want to move it, guys, if we want it to move automatically, guys, then what we want to do is go right here and put our mouse right here in the lower bottom corner, the left corner. Here you will have a couple of options. You want to click these three dots right here. This will open up the options menu. And in the options menu, guys, you want to go ahead and find this option right here called autoplay. Select your mouse right there, and then you want to select what option you want. You can select every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and select every 5 seconds, guys. Go ahead, select every 5 seconds and click on play. And now, guys, as you can see, every 5 seconds it will act as we have clicked our mouse. As you can see, now my animation has started after 5 seconds, and in 5 seconds again, the next slide will play. Yeah, guys, you can see now it has started playing automatically. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.